I always knew I wanted to be in the mining industry. You're not just doing the same thing behind a desk every day. You can get out, you can touch, you can feel, you can still innovate. You can make a positive change every single day, and you can go out and look at the process and challenge yourself, how can I make it better? My dad was into underground mining all of his life. I grew up out near Death Valley, and he was into underground talc mining, and every weekend he would take me to the mine with him. If you can't grow it, you have to mine it. Mining absolutely has to be part of communities, or else everything would need to be imported. People think of mining as noisy, dusty. We're clean. We have a dust control management system. We do revegetation, reclamation. The safety of our employees is first and foremost of everything we do, and everybody has stop work authority. So we continue to enhance safety yearly, monthly, daily, and look for ways to be safer. Diatomaceous earth suppliers, there's maybe 20 worldwide, so a lot of our equipment is unique. Our processes are unique. Diatomaceous earth probably does more than any other mineral. Our mineral has many unique characteristics about it, and the use of it is still evolving. So it has incredible holding capabilities. It's also a great insulator. One of the earlier uses was people would have a small cube of it and it would soak it in kerosene. And then they could light it at night and that would burn all night for them. Diatomite is from diatoms, single-celled fossil remains. It's a natural nano, so very, very small, microscopic, and has these minute small holes in it that are used for filtration, anything from water through blood. A lot go into pharmaceutical products. During the COVID, we were also part of the vaccines that were being produced. We continue to innovate and improve on a daily basis. We continue to work with our customers to develop products that they need. You know, through automation and better control, better sensing, we've been able to greatly improve our process and our process efficiency, allowing us to produce more material. At night, something happens, you can come in the next day and you see, well, a valve didn't open, a belt was moving too slow, the bin went low. We have greatly improved our accuracy, ability to analyze our processes, and to better control them. I think we provide a great future for people. We provide very good jobs. We're looking always for ways to give back to the community and be a partner in the community. We definitely have a very active intern program. We're part of the STEMS program, and we attend fairs to try to educate young kids. We have high quality reserves. We continue to innovate new products. We're going to continue to be here for, better be 100 years plus.